Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming traditional roles within companies and generating new career opportunities. We will show how AI automates repetitive tasks, enables a focus on strategic activities, and creates the need for new specialized roles that if you want to know how to adapt to these changes and make the most of the AI era, stay until the end of the video. Operational roles, from manual execution to automated supervision. Automation allows operational employees to focus on process supervision. An example is an assembly operator now managing industrial robots, which requires new skills in programming and maintenance. Administrative roles, from data management to advanced analytics. Administrative employees use AI tools to automate routine tasks and generate strategic insights. An example is a human resources assistant using AI to screen resumes, devoting more time to developing talent retention strategies. Data scientists and AI analyst professionals in charge of designing predictive models and optimizing business decisions. An example is how a data scientist in telecommunications predicts service cancellation behaviors, improving customer retention. User experience designers with AI. These specialists create interfaces to improve interaction with AI-based systems, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. An example is a designer who optimizes the online shopping experience through personalized recommendations. AI ethicists and accountability specialists key roles to ensure AI is transparent and equitable. An example of an AI ethicist working to avoid bias in facial recognition algorithms is highlighted. Chief AI Officers, CIO, responsible for defining AI strategies and leading their implementation. A CIO in insurance, for example, uses predictive models to calculate risks and optimize premiums. Digital transformation and change leaders. These professionals guide organizations in the transition to AI-driven environments. An example might be a manufacturing leader who organizes workshops to teach employees how to operate automated systems. Reskilling programs. Companies should invest in training for employees to develop skills in high-demand areas such as data analytics and basic programming. Creating collaborative environments. Human-machine collaboration fosters more efficient processes. For example, financial analysts work alongside algorithms that process large volumes of data, enabling faster strategic decisions. The integration of AI into businesses is redefining the concept of work, creating new opportunities for those who adapt to change. With the right training and leadership strategies, organizations can maximize the potential of AI and stay competitive. If you want to transform your company's roles and prepare for the era of artificial intelligence, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll design a strategy that will ensure success in this dynamic environment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.